The Sonnestraal Farm fire was reported just before midday on Saturday the 7th of March. The cause is still unconfirmed, but could be the result of spontaneous combustion from the products involved. The affected area is roughly the size of 2 rugby fields and is about 3 to 4 meters high. Firefighting efforts to date have included the use of hoses, hand tools, aerial support with 2 helicopters making 88 water drops and crews being rotated every 12 hours. The landowner has provided front-end loaders and the use of his dam for constant water supply. The front-end loaders are being used to remove sections of the heap and move it aside so that firefighters can get to the core of the fire, extinguishing small piles of burning material at a time, which is a tedious but necessary process. It will take a considerable time still for this fire to be extinguished. We are doing all we can, including regular assessments to see what additional actions can be taken to expedite matters.